Hi, welcome back. Head over to creativefabrica.com, click on fonts and choose whichever font bundle you would like. Then click on download. You can click on the arrow, open file and install right here. Double click, click install, and now it is installed on your system. Now go to Tools and Creative Fabrica, click on FontCloud, open FontCloud, and click on Browse. Upload the font we just downloaded. You can also just drag the font and it will also be uploaded. For example, I am typing hello and this is a display or preview to show you how this bundle or font design will show up. Whenever you click on an element, you just have to right click and paste, Ctrl and V, and it will show up in your preview bar. Now, so that we can be able to use it on Cricut Design Space. If your Cricut Design Space is already open, ensure that you click on View and Reload so that it will be able to pick up our newly downloaded font. Head back over to FontCloud, click on whichever element you would like to add and it will be on your clipboard. Then head over to Cricut Design Space, right click in your text and click on Paste. And there you will see that the element is also added on Cricut Design Space. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.